Hi dear student, this is Naveed Khan, your mathematics teacher. So now in this class we will discuss some more questions about probability. Okay, so now dear student, now here in this example, the table shows, first of all let's select a pen. Now the table shows the number of the male and female students enrolled in nursing at the University Health Center for the recent semester. Okay, so now according to this table, so the total number of the male students, and 151 students they got admission in nursing major, and 1104 they got admission in non-nursing majors, and this is the total number of male students. Okay, and similarly if we see the second row, so total number of female students who got admission in nursing major is 1016, and the non-nursing major, the number of females who got admission is 1693. So this is the total number of female students. Okay, so now my dear students, let's have a look for part A. If the student is selected at random, find the probability the student is male. How many total male students we have? If we see total number of male students we have is 1000. Okay, 225 divided by total 55. Sorry, here we have 55 divided by total we have 3964. Okay, now here is or means that a plus sign, or a nursing major. So total number of nursing major we have, this is total number of nursing major, so we have 1167 divided by total, so total we have 3964. Now my dear student, if we see import the numbers, so this 151 is common, so 151 is male and it is common in the nursing major. If something is common, it will be minus from the sum. So 151 divided by 3964. So now in this step I explained this question, this point. So this is the total number of the male students. Here is or means that I put it here plus sign, and the nursing major, the total nursing major students we have 1167, but 151 is common, it will be minus 8. Okay, so the answer will become 2271 divided by 3964. Now my dear student, I display this table again for you people to answer the following questions. The student is female. If we see this row is for the female students. Total number of the female students we have is 2709. Okay, I wrote down here. Then or means that I put here the plus sign, then here the non-nursing major, so this is non-nursing major students. Okay, total we have 2797. I wrote down here, and then if you see my dear student, this number is common, 1697 is common from both in the female students in the non-nursing major. So now we will make it subtract from the sum, so the answer will become 3813. Okay, now look at part C. Part C is the student is not female. Okay, if the student is not female, let me select the pen. Okay, so the student is not female. If the student is not female, so definitely it will be male students. So how many total male students we have? Okay, so total number of male students we have 1255. So I wrote down here or, then put here plus sign, or nursing major. So the nursing major total students we have who got admission in the nursing major, we have 1167, but this one 151, this is common in both. So the common number, it will be minus from the sum. So the answer will become 2271 divided by 3964. Now my dear student, let's have a look for the second question. So first of all, I'm going to select a pen. The table shows the result of the survey that asked 3203 people whether they wore contact lens or glasses. Okay, a person is selected at random from the sample. So it means that, my dear student, the table is given. Here we have 4 different categories. For example, in terms of male and female, some of the male students, they wear contacts, some of them use glasses, some of them using both, and 456 they use neither. Okay, they don't use any type of the contacts or glasses. Okay, and similarly for this row 2 is for the female students. Okay, now my dear student, look at part A. The person wears only contacts. So this is the wear only contacts. There is no differentiation between the male and female student. They are just asking that the wear only contacts. So total number of students who wear contacts is 253, and all, for all I put here plus sign, and only glasses. So here total number of students who wear only glasses 1268. Just add both the fraction and then we will get a, okay, we will get an answer. There is no number is common between the two lines, so that's why this is the only answer. Now look at part B. The person is male. Okay, this line is for male. How many total male people we have? So total male we have, I wrote here 1538, then put here or sign, and then wears both contact and lens. So here is both. So this is both. So total number of the people who wear both contact and lens, we have 545, but this 141 is 171 is common. If something is common, it will be minus from the sum. So then and the answer is 1906 divided by total number of the people. Okay, now in part C, the person is female. The person is female. If you see the person is female, so look at here how many total females we have. 1665. I wrote down here, or for or put here plus sign, or wears neither contacts nor glasses. So this is neither. How many total people who don't wear anything? 1137, but here this number is common, it will be minus from the sum, so the answer will become 2121. Okay, my dear student. Now my dear student, let's have a look for this question. Now please try this question. Okay, this is for your homework, you need to try it. Strengths of the copper wire from the manufacturers are analyzed from strength and conductivity. The result from 100 strengths are as follows. Okay, so you need to solve this question. Okay, my dear student, first of all you need to draw the table and then write down the answer. The part A is, if the strength is randomly selected, what is the probability that its conductivity is high and strength is high? Okay, so I wrote down here the answer is 74 by 100, but you need to solve this question at your home. Okay, my dear student. Now this question is very important. For example, of the curtains produced by a company, 5% have punctures, 8% have smashed corners, and 0.4% have both puncture and the smashed corner. Find the probability that a randomly selected curtain has a puncture or has a smashed corner. Okay, so first of all we need to find out what is the probability of the puncture, what is the probability of the smashed corner, and what is the probability of both. So here the probability of the puncture, we have 5%, so 5 by 100. Probability of the smashed corners, we have 8%, it will become 8 by 100. And now probability of the cotton which is puncture and the smashed corner, so we have 0.4%, so it will become 0.4 by 100. Now from here we will try to answer, find the probability that a randomly selected cotton has a puncture. Okay, so the puncture we have 5 by 100. Okay, and a smashed corner, so the smashed corner we have 8 by 100, but we will make it minus. Okay, because you know that here is the probability of a puncture, so I wrote here 5 by 100, or means that put here plus sign, and smashed corner, so smashed corner we have total, we have 8 by 100, but this is common because these are the number of the cartoons which contains both the puncture and smashed corner, so it will be minus from the sum. Okay, so the answer will become 12.6, so or for 12.6%. so here 12.6 by 100. Now if we change it into percentage, it will become 12.6%. Okay, now dear student, this is the last question. In a statistics class there are 18 juniors and 6 seniors. Okay, let's suppose if I'm going to draw the table. So now in this table, for example in statistics class, we have some senior students and we have some junior students. So now in statistics class there are 18 juniors, so total number of students are 18, and 10 are senior, so total number of the senior students are 10. Okay, 6 of the seniors are female. For example, if I'm writing here female students and male students, 6 of the seniors are female, so this is the senior students, total we have 10, but 6 of them are the female, so definitely 4 will be male. And 12 from here, now 12 of the juniors are male, 12 of the juniors, so total we have 18 juniors, 12 of them are male, so definitely total will be 6 of them will be female. So now we need to find out the following question: what is the probability that the randomly selected person is a junior or a female? So total juniors we have 18 by 28, or means that put a plus sign, and female, so total numbers of females we have 12, and the total number of the males we have 16, and total students we have 28. Okay, this T is for total. Look at the question again. What is the probability that the randomly selected person is junior? Okay, so the total number of the juniors we have 18 by 28, or means that plus sign, and the female, so total number of the females we have 12 by 18, but you know that this one is common. Okay, this is junior. Okay, this is the total number of the juniors, and this is the female. This line is column is for female, and this 6 is common in both, so it will be minus from the sum, so the answer will become 24 by 28. Now for a second question, what is the probability that if we select the student who will be senior or a female? So total number of the female senior students we have 100, we have 10. Okay, so I wrote here 10, or means that plus sign, and the total number of the females we have 12, but this 6 is common between the senior students and the female, so it will be minus from the sum, so the answer will become 16 by 28. Now look at the third question, part C. What is the probability of a junior or a senior? So total juniors we have 18 by 28 plus, and the total seniors we have, how many seniors we have? 10 by 28. So now 18 plus 10, so we have 28 by 28, so the answer will become 1. Okay dear student, so thank you very much.